All right, so we are out here at 2056 Chestnut Hill Circle. We are going to do a repair on this shingle here. You can see it's completely creased. In order to pull this shingle out to replace it, I'm gonna have to remove the nails from both the two top rows above this to pull this out. So we'll go ahead and start this repair. I've also got the State Farm roof snake, which is what you guys want us to use. Look right here, this has already caused a lot of mat transfer all along the shingles, which means this shingle is not going to seal back down. Being extra careful in this video so that nothing can be said about being too rough or bending shingles. I'm having to loosen all these tabs so that I can extract these nails. So I'm simply finding where their nails are at so that I can extract them out. Again, a lot of mat transfer all along here, as well as on top of this shingle as well. See, this shingle is actually pulled through. This nail is pulled through. New shingle in place. I'm going to use the roof snake to apply these nails under the shingle. Again, not lifting these shingles any higher than have to be. All right, I just want to show, here, creased, here, creased, here, creased, here, creased. All the mat transfer underneath these shingles are not going to allow these shingles to seal back down correctly. So just from trying to do the repair on this one shingle, you've creased 2, 3, 4 shingles, as well as there's mat transfer on all these shingles. This roof is non-repairable. These shingles are too brittle. It's just going to be a domino effect. It's affected 4 shingles as it is. If I repair those 4, then you're looking at 12 more. It's just going to be an ongoing domino effect.